Bezier curve. Bezier curves are a type of smooth curve widely used in computer graphics for various applications. Here are some key points about Bezier curves. Defined by control points, Bezier curves are defined by a set of control points which determine the shape and position of the curve. The number of control points depends on the degree of the curve, with higher degree curves having more control points. Smooth and continuous. Bezier curves are smooth and continuous, making them ideal for representing smooth and natural shapes in 2D graphics. Computationally efficient. Bezier curves can be computed efficiently using algorithms such as the de Castelgio algorithm, making them well-suited for real-time graphics applications. Easy to edit. Bezier curves are easy to edit, as the shape and position of the curve can be adjusted by moving the control points. This makes Bezier curves a popular choice for applications such as vector graphics, animation, and user interfaces. Vector-based. Bezier curves are vector-based, meaning that the curve is defined mathematically rather than as a series of pixels. This makes Bezier curves scalable and resolution independent, as the curve can be rendered at any resolution without losing its shape or accuracy. Basis functions. Bezier curves are based on basis functions, which determine the shape of the curve. The most common basis function used for Bezier curves is the Bernstein polynomial. Degree. The degree of a Bezier curve is defined as the number of control points minus 1. Higher degree curves have more control points and can represent more complex shapes, while lower degree curves have fewer control points and are more straightforward to compute. In summary, Bezier curves are an important type of curve used in computer graphics for their smooth, continuous shapes, efficiency, ease of editing, and vector-based nature. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.